Hello, I'm Vishal. I'm going to explain about the Practicum done and the development of AIDS. This is my Practicum 10. Just the title is mathematical calculation using a parameter passing mechanism. Parameter passing mechanism. I have finished the Practicum. This is my code. Output. The second code. This I have finded the integer using the integer that is using the radius and the length and the breadth. It is using the integer swapped numbers. Program area calculations and swap again the calculation results and the results. Oh, result I have forgot to keep the video. Get the link here. This is my code and I lost it. Now I'm going to explain the code. This is my code using a include standard input output header file. A functions product using input like a float area of a circle using a float and a float radius, a wide area of the rectangle, a float multiple length, comma float multiple breadth, comma float multiple area. The float area of a circle, float radius is a pass by value, and a wide area of a rectangle, float percentage health, and float percentage breadth, and float percentage not it's a multiple symbol, which is a star symbol. Area is a pass by reference. A wide area of a triangle, a float base, a float height, and a float star area. Mixed passing, which is a mixed passing. Using int main, a float radius. All are a float radius, length, breadth, base, height, and the float circle area, rectangle area, and triangle area. We usually sort this as rect, tri, and input for the circle. First using the input for the circle, print enter the radius of the circle, and scanner using a float, because the float percentage of addresses of the radius and a pass by value. Circle area is equal to area of the circle bracket radius, and the print of slash n pass by value, and the area of a circle is equal to percentage of 2f, which is a finding percentage of circle area, and a print of a percentage n after functions called the radius in a main, and equal to percentage 2f unchanged radius. Rectangle for the input for the rectangle. First next to the input for the rectangle, print of slash and enter the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Length and breadth of the rectangle, and scan of percentage of address length and address of breadth, and pass by reference. Next using pass by reference, area of a rectangle, address of length, address of breadth, and address of rectangle. Using pass by reference. So using area of a rectangle, percentage using reference opposite reference. Wide area for rectangle. The wide area for rectangle, length, breadth, and rectangle area. Print of a pass by reference, area of rectangle equal to percentage top to f. Next rect area, which is a rectangle area, colon. So we go in print of is slash n after the functions called comma length, like this the length is slash n the length value modified inside the function, which is length breadth comma print of slash n after the functions called length equal to terms and breadth, and the value modified inside the function slash n length breadth. Next input for the triangle. Input for the triangle, print of interface and the height of the triangle, scan of percentage of which is a float, double float using a base height, so using the double float. And the mixed parameter, base height by value, area by reference, area of a triangle, base height by address of triangle. Print of is a mixture passing area of a triangle equal to percentage of 2f triangle print of new line after a function called a base equal to percentage of 2f height percentage of 2 unchanged slash and a base height rectangle. Next function definition, circle area using a pass by value. Float area of a circle is a float and a radius, and a float area is equal to given 3.14159 multiple radius multiple Printf is as an inside functions radius equal to percentage of 2 of radius, and radius equal to radius plus 1, and trying to modify the value printf of the slash n, and then modify the radius inside the function equal to percentage of 2 of will not affect the main a radius a written area only. A rectangle area using a password. Next using a rectangle using a password means a wide area of a triangle float give a length float breadth and float by area, and area which is a float length star breadth, and print of using a new line inside function length equal to percentage of 2 and breadth equal to f, and star length and star breadth which is star means star length equal to star length plus 2, modifying original values, and star breadth is equal to 1 star width plus 3. These changes will affect the main triangle area using a mixed parameter passing a wide area of a triangle float base and float height and float area. Star area is equal to 0.5 star base star height. Base is equal to which is a modifying a local copies. No effect outside. No effect outside. Printf slash any insert functions at base is equal to percentage of 2f and height is equal to percentage of 2f. Local copies base height. I'm going to run the program running because I am giving enter the radius of the circle union 5 and entering which is insert the function radius equal to 5 and modify radius insert function 6.5 will not affect the main, and the possible value area of a circle is 78 point circle is 78.54 after the functions call radius in the main 5.00 and unchanged. Enter a length and breadth of the rectangle. Entering a length and breadth of the rectangle. And entering a length and breadth of the rectangle. Length and breadth of the rectangle. Unit 1. Giving a 6.5, which is giving the 6.5. What to give a which is entering a length and breadth of the rectangle 6.5 to come dot 5 and entering coding some just entering a rectangle 6.5 and enter. That's all. Thank you.